Dear students, today we study about the plant breeding for developing resistance to insect pests. The host crop plants may be resistant to insect pests due to the morphological, biochemical, or the physiological characteristics. Some characteristics that lead to the pest resistance are hairy leaves in plants. If the hairy leaves are present in cotton, then it is resistant to jacids. And if the hairy leaves are in wheat plant, then it is resistant to cereal beetles. In the same way, the solid stem in wheat exhibits non-preference by stem supply. Means stem supply don't prefer to solid stem in wheat. In cotton, smooth leaf and absence of nectar repel bollworm. In maize, high aspartic acid, low nitrogen content, and low sugar content protects them from stem borer. What are the steps of breeding method? The steps of breeding method is the same as for the other agronomic traits. We take some examples of pest resist varieties which are developed by hybridization are as follows. Like the Pusa Gaurav is the hybrid variety of Brassica which is resist to aphids, and the Pusa Same 2 and Pusa Same 3 are the hybrid variety of flat bean which is resist to aphids, jacids and fruit borer. The Pusa Swani and Pusa A4 is the hybrid variety of bhindi or okra and is resist to shoot and fruit borer. Now we study the plant breeding for improved food quality. First of all, this question arises: what is the need for breeding plants to improve food quality? It is need because the lack of adequate food having adequate nutritional requirement in the world, and majority of the people are unable to buy the enough fruits, vegetables, legumes, fish and meat, and thus suffer from deficiencies or hidden hunger. Essential micronutrients are absent from diet. Now the technical term, the biofortification. What is the meaning of biofortification? Biofortification is the method for developing crop from higher levels of vitamins, minerals, proteins and healthier fats to improve the public health. What are the objectives of biofortification? The objectives of biofortification is to improve the protein content and quality of the food, to improve the oil content and quality of the lipids, to improve the vitamin content, and to improve the micronutrients and mineral contents. Now list of crops with improved nutrient content. The Atlas 66 has been used as a donor variety for developing wheat varieties with improved protein contents. Other varieties developed are maize hybrids. The hybrid maize has more content of amino acids like lysine and tryptophan than normal maize. The iron fortified rice has increased iron content. List of fortified crops varieties released by Indian Agriculture Research Institutes, New Delhi. The carrot, spinach and pumpkin are the hybrid variety which has more content of vitamin A, and bitter gourd, bathua, mustard and tomato are some varieties which enriched vitamin C. The spinach and bathua are iron and calcium fortified varieties. Broad bean, lab and French bean and garden pea are also fortified varieties which has more protein content. Thank you.